What's up guys, so as we all know, Samsung recently adopted a new strategy where they introduce a cutting edge technology on their mid-range phones rather than their flagship Galaxy Note and S lineup. Samsung's strategy was to attract the more price sensitive consumers by giving its cheaper smartphones first access to new technology, and now it seems like Samsung has finally entered into the new phase of this strategy. So first of all, Samsung recently announced a highest resolution 64 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL Bright GW1 sensor with a pixel size of 0.8 micrometer, the smallest available in the market right now. According to Samsung themselves, the 64 megapixel sensor using something called pixel immersion tetracell technology. The teeny tiny 0.8 micrometer sensor promises high quality images in low light conditions by merging 4 pixels into one, which means photos will actually be snapped at 16 rather than 64 megapixel resolution at night time to take crystal clear brighter images, and utilize the full 64 megapixel in bright time to take highly detailed images. This sensor also supports real-time HDR, and there's also an advantage is that images can be processed with richer hues. The sensor also includes Super PD, which is a high performance face detection autofocus, or I would say PDF technology. Now as far as the video is concerned, the GW1 sensor can record in 1080p at 480 frames per second. Samsung says this allows its company to support smooth cinematic slow motion videos. Now the main question is, which will be the first smartphone to use this highest resolution camera sensor? So according to Korean media 18 News, the Samsung Galaxy A70S could be the first smartphone of the world to have a 64 megapixel sensor, the successor of the king of Galaxy phone, Samsung Galaxy A70, which has the biggest battery 4500 mAh, the biggest display 6.7 inches, triple rear cameras, 32 megapixel front camera, and 25 watt of fast charging, which is even not present in Galaxy S10 lineup. 18 News also revealed that this Galaxy A70S could be launched in second half of this year, which means it's the same phone that Ice Universe was talking about, which according to Ice Universe will be the most creative Samsung smartphone with a 5x periscope zoom camera. And not only this, Ice Universe also revealed that this Galaxy A70S, which is going to be launched in the second half of this year, will have some serious breakthrough design changes even beyond the imagination. He didn't mention Galaxy A70S, but there will be only two Samsung phones that is going to be launched in the second half of this year. First one Galaxy Note 10 and second one A70S. I don't know how it's gonna look like, but if you guys know how to use Illustrator, then you can definitely share with me your ideas, your concepts on Twitter. I'll be mentioning your render in my videos with your username as well. So that's all here in this video. Please like if you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe for the full coverage, and yeah, see you soon.